This is the short tutorial on how to add more supports and non-food materials to your cake cost. So go to the Costing Master, and you are familiar with the top of the Costing Master, but as you go down, you'll see a place where you can add everything that you need, like cake boards, cake rounds, cake drums, dowels, things like that. And let's say, and I know that a lot of people use the SPS tier system. I do not use it, but you've already got a place here where you can add your cost and what you get for it so that it's in there already. But let's say there's something that you like that you want to add. So here's an instruction down here, how you can continue to add items. And so let's say, for example, I'm just going to add one right here. Let's say I'm going to have a really big cake and I want some half, let's see, what might I add to that? Well, let's say I'm going to add 3/4 inch dowels. I don't know when I would ever use the 3/4 inch dowel, but let's say there's something you want to add like that. Okay, so just put it in there, the title. If you want to add a link, you can find out the link to the location where you buy them, and you would put insert link. The link goes here, you paste it, and this is already written here, but you can change this if you want to change the title. Paste a link and then apply. So it's not going to let me apply because there's no link in there, but that's how you would add a link. So let's say you get a dowel, let's say you get 5 dowels for $9, okay? So that means that they're 56 cents a piece. This is already going to calculate for you. So that's a really super simple way to add things that may not be in here in terms of extra supports and things. Sizes of cake boards, cake rounds, things that you use that I don't necessarily use that I didn't put in there. So that is how to add extra materials, and all of those will, in the end, when you add them up, come in here automatically. So you don't have to worry about any of that. You just add it and the rest takes care of itself. Hope to see you next time on the next tutorial.